Formulating effective drug information responses and recommendations. Pharmacists are asked to provide responses to a variety of drug information questions every day. Although the type of requester, query, and setting can vary, the process of formulating responses remains constant. Formulating effective responses and recommendations requires the use of a structured, organized approach whereby critical factors are systematically considered and thoughtfully evaluated. The steps in this process include organizing relevant patient data, gathering information about the disease states and affected body systems, collecting medication information, obtaining pertinent background information, and identifying other relevant factors that can potentially influence outcomes. Once these data are collected and carefully assembled, they must be critically analyzed and evaluated in the proper context of each unique case. Responses and recommendations are synthesized by integrating information and evidence from diverse sources through the use of logic and deductive reasoning. Reference: Drug Information, a Guide for Pharmacists. Patrick M. Malone et al. Acknowledgement. Drug Information Unit, University of Ilorin Teaching Hospital, Ilorin, Kwara State, Nigeria. Thank you.